I have not done me a good old pop-off set in a long time, but just to get this creativity off of my brain, and Valentine's Day is right around the corner, I'm gonna do it for y'all. I had been seeing this Blooming Gel Rose tutorial on TikTok, but I wanted to put a little twist on it. I didn't want to do a full nail, so I was like, I want the base to definitely be different and scream Valentine's Day. And I was like, what screams Valentine's Day more than red? So I'm just going to apply the red glitter midway down the nail. I don't want to do a full nail because that'll just be a waste of glitter, honestly, because it's just going to get covered up by the French tips. So I'm just doing it as if I'm about to do an ombre, just to cover it enough at the base of the nail. This is just one Valentine's Day nail design that I had in the vault in my mind. If you want to check out the other one, I am selling it on Etsy. You can click the link on my channel page. And do not forget to follow my Instagram down below in the description and turn on your notifications. I'm posting a lot now on my community page, which I give y'all good updates, which I don't mention in my videos. So if you want to know about those updates, go ahead and turn on your notifications. I definitely have a hate and love relationship with doing French tips. Let me tell y'all why the other day I ordered, new brushes. I was like, okay, out with the old, in with the new. When I tell y'all, I can't stand those brushes. I can't. They're good brushes, but it's just nothing about this Old Faithful. This Old Faithful always gets the job done. I'm going to try to break them in some other day, but I just don't have the patience right now to deal with those brushes. But for now, I'm going to stick with this brush. And French tips definitely have become easier for me to do since I try like different techniques. And the best one that I have found was doing a little guideline and then making it connect. Usually I'll just, freehand it go side to side. But sometimes they come out a little wonky. But ever since I decided to do the guideline, perfect. If you have made it this far in the video, I thank you so much. And please drop a heart for me down below so I know it's real. I'm just going to go in with my Blooming Gel by Mia Secrets. Now, when you apply this, it's fine if you go past the French tips because you know where you're going to put the polish at is on the French tip. So if you go past a little bit, it's fine. It's gold. Now, after you paint this Blooming Gel on, it is time for the show. Please make sure that you have your handheld UV light or your curing light on deck, ready to go. You're just going to take a little bit of your white polish and make 2 C shapes in the center of your French tips. And the rest of the petals, just form them around the French tip. However you really want, honestly, no way is a wrong way. Just make sure, you're still going with the French tips, but just going around the center of the nail. And right after you're done with that, hurry up and cure it. Do not wait until you finish all nails and try to cure all of them. That's going to be a whole mess. Just flash cure it at least, I'll say like 10-15 seconds, and then move on to the other nail. And at the end, we're going to put all nails in and cure them then. After the blooming gel, we are not finished yet, so we're just going to take the white polish and trace over each petal. I'm putting up my imaginary bunny fingers that y'all can't see, but petal to give it more emphasis, because right now it looks good for me. I like the way it looks, but if you want to add more definition to the petals, you can do that. But just make sure when you draw the lines to outline them that it's not perfect. It doesn't have to be perfect. You could squiggle it a little bit, because not every petal of a flower has the same shape. Now I'm gonna leave my petals white, but I've seen some videos where they take like a jelly red and paint over it to give it that real rose effect. But I think I really like it white. I think it's because the base is like the red glitter, so it really makes it pop, and it already adds red. But if you just want it to be all red, you can do that. I think it'll still be cute. But for now, I'm liking my white. It's giving me real vintage. It's real cute. If you haven't already, please make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel and leave me a comment down below so I know you're still here. Hey girl. And turn on your notifications so you get updated when I do a community post, because I be posting real good stuff over there and I do not want you to miss out. So y'all go be the first people to know. Look how cute. I was thinking about just keeping it matte, but I was like, nah, let me add a little gloss to it so that glitter can really pop. And I'm gonna see you guys in my next one. Bye.